Hi guys, and welcome back to this week's video. Sorry it's been a little bit of a delay, but we're getting there now. So right, let's put the camera in, have a little look around the car first. So this is a 60s Hilman Imp from CA Restoration. So as you can see, quite a major bit of work done on it. It's having new quarters, new wings. So Colin's already cut them all off. Floors are pretty good in here. Colin's got all the sound deadening off already for us. Also the underside, Colin's got it off, which is a horrible job. But as you know, all we do is we bounce off it, so it has to come off. So that's the car, that's basically how it looks and how it's going to be. It's a twin headlight sport. So we're going to start off tackling the rear quarters and see how we go. So as you can see, once we get all that horrible rust and orange paint off, we get back to a really nice fresh bit of metal. So that you can see there, it is a mixture of wax oil, rust and sort of primer. They don't really primer up in these areas much because obviously it's hidden out the way. So the wax oil's protected as much as it could over the years. So we'll go right up to all the edges. As you see that top corner part, that's a bit of the old panel. So here we are on the underside. We'll speed this up a bit because there's a lot to do. But definitely guys, if you can always get the underseal off before it comes here, you get a much better job. You know what you've got. It doesn't matter if you don't want to and you want us just to blast and see what comes off. You're sort of kidding yourself sometimes with what you're going to get out of it. So that's it. That's us flying through the underside now. A bit dusty, but we're zooming along. And there we go. Final bit. All primed up, ready for Colin. Looking a lot better now. As it's one colour, you can get a good idea. As you can see, the floors come up really nice, so it's worth getting the sound deadening off. You can leave them on, we can blast over them and it won't touch them. You know, you get a better idea and get it fresh and new. As you see, those rear quarters looking much better on the inside now. So please like, subscribe and share guys. Really do appreciate it if you can do that. Helps our YouTube keep happy. Thanks for watching. I know it's a quick one, but hopefully we'll be back next week with another video. Take care.